Hey kids, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making pumpkin muffins, and it's not fall, which is peak time to make pumpkin things, but these are so good, I make them all year round, so let's go to the kitchen. You made it! The kitchen! Now to get right into baking, let's look at the ingredients. You'll need gluten-free flour, pumpkin puree, milk, butter, sugar, pumpkin pie spice, baking powder, vanilla, salt, and 1 egg. To start off, we're going to first mix all of the dry ingredients together. So we're going to take our flour, our sugar, our baking powder, our salt, and our pumpkin pie spice, and we are going to put them all into one separate bowl and mix them all together, and I use a whisk to get them all nice and evenly mixed. Next, we will be taking our wet ingredients, milk, an egg, butter, pumpkin puree, and vanilla extract. And I used almond milk for the milk, but you can use any type of milk that you want. And we're going to add those all into a big bowl separate from the dry ingredients, and then we are going to blend it all together using an electric mixer. I put it on medium for about 30 seconds. Next, we're going to set our oven to preheat to 350 degrees and prepare a muffin tin with muffin cups. Then we will be filling each of the muffin cups about 3/4 of the way full, and I use this really handy dandy large scooper, kind of like an ice cream scooper, and we're going to fill them all up so that they're ready to go into the oven. Once your muffin tin is all full of batter and it is ready to go into the oven, pop them in for about between 20 and 24 minutes. Mine took closer to 24 because I filled up the muffin cups mostly full, but keep an eye on them and you'll know they're ready when you take them out, and if you stick a toothpick in them, it comes out clean. They are all done. The final step in making these muffins taste absolutely amazing is making a little glaze for the top of them, where basically you take melted butter, sugar, and cinnamon, mix them all together in a bowl, and drizzle this on top of the muffins, and it gives them a little extra sweetness and it tastes really, really good. So just drop it on to the tops of your muffins and they are good to eat. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. That is all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make my absolute favorite pumpkin muffins. Comment down below any questions you have or any ideas for future videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe.